To share a store via Store link, click on Products in the top menu. Click Store Settings in the left-hand menu. Copy your unique store link URL. Share the link to direct buyers to your store across social media, email marketing, and more. If you want to share from a button in your box office, click on Products in the top menu. Click Store Settings in the left-hand menu. Decide whether or not you want to share your store from your box office using the Show Store on Event Listings homepage checkbox. If selected, a link to your store will live in the top right of your box office. To share using a widget embedded in your website, from the Promote section of your dashboard, choose Website Embed Codes from the side menu. Click the button marked Edit Widget Options. Using the drop-down menu called Event or Store, select your store. If you only want to embed specific products, for example, just your gift vouchers, add a common name for your products into the box labeled Keyword Filter. Use the other settings to choose whether the background should be filled or transparent, and whether to show the header and event info, and to add your custom tracking reference. When you're done editing, click the Update Widget button to see a preview of how your widget will now look. Under the Directions heading, use the drop-down menu to choose whether you'll be embedding your widget in an HTML or WordPress website. Copy and paste the generated code into your website on the page you want the box office to appear. And that's it!